Hi, myself Dr. Monica Mehnood. Today we will discuss the topic of pulp protection. It has three major components which are used as pulp protectants: varnish, bases and liner. When they are indicated, for that you need to know about remaining dentin thickness. It should be minimum of 2 mm. The remaining dentin thickness, which is from floor of cavity to your pulp chamber, this distance should be 2 mm of minimum. When we apply varnish, when this is 2 mm or more, we apply varnish. When the cavity is deeper, we apply a layer of base which is thicker in dimension. It provides protection to the pulp. When the cavity preparation is close to the pulp, we apply liner. So you got my point. It all depends on the remaining dentin thickness. Now, what is varnish? It is thin liquid coating placed on prepared walls. It consists of natural synthetic resin dissolved in volatile solvent, which gets evaporated on placement. Now, when it is indicated, as we have read, when the remaining dentin thickness is 2 mm or more, we apply varnish, where it is placed on entire cavity wall. The red line you can identify is your wall of cavity preparation, and the green line you see here is a layer of varnish. Varnish helps in sealing of dentinal tubule, which prevents micro leakage. The examples of varnish are copal varnish and resin varnish. Now, what are bases? Bases are materials, most commonly cements, used in thicker dimension beneath your permanent restoration. Cements like GIC, zinc phosphate. When it is applied, when the remaining dentin thickness is 0.5 to 2 mm, and where it is placed on the floor of cavity or axial wall. The bases should always be applied on your base of cavity, or when you make class 2 cavity, then you will apply it on your axial wall also. Why it is not applied on your mesiolingual or buccolingual, mesiodistal or buccolingual walls? Because it gets dissolved in the fluids of your oral cavity. You got my point. Base is always applied on your base of cavity or your axial wall, because it gets dissolved in the fluids of your oral cavity. Now, it provides mechanical, thermal and chemical protection to your pulp. For example, examples of bases are zinc phosphate, zinc polycarboxylate, GIC and RMGIC, which is resin modified GIC. What is liner? Liner is material used to coat bottom of prepared cavity to protect the pulp. Means when the cavity preparation is close to the pulp or near pulp, we apply a layer of liner beneath your base application, which is of 0.5 mm to protect the pulp. When it is indicated, when the remaining dentin thickness is only 0.5 mm or less, where it is placed on the floor of cavity or axial wall. Same as base application, we apply liner beneath our base application or on your axial wall, because it also gets dissolved in your oral cavity. It provides thermal protection, electrical insulation, and also provides chemical barrier from restorative material used. The examples of liner are calcium hydroxide, RMGIC or MTA. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.